Hello everybody, if you are a designer or even a scientific researcher and want to raise the resolution of your figures, photos and logos like this, using a free easy tool, here you are. First go to search and write run. After clicking on run, write REGEDIT. Then click on OK and yes. After that you will find a box like this. Click on the second choice. Click on software. Choose Microsoft. Then click on Office. Here you will find 5 choices. If you are using Office 16, you have to choose 16. Then click on PowerPoint. Choose options, then right click, New, DWORD 32-bit value. Rename it Export Bitmap Resolution and keep its format as you seen on the screen. Right click on it, then choose Modify, Decimal, and raise the value of dpi that you want to raise the resolution to it. Finally, we can compare figures as seen on the screen. It appears that they have different resolutions. If you are interested in this video, don't forget to share, subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.